Listen up, guys. Listen up. Let me make sure I got my mic where you guys can hear me. Loud and clear. Loud and clear. Coming into you live, Amanda Wray. I'm going to open up some packages and we are going to discuss this webinar that's coming up tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to miss it. I'm just so excited because it's going so well. And we're going to go over the reasons why that's actually happening and how you can get a piece of the pie. For those that don't know, I've been doing direct mail since 2016, earning a full-time income, teaching others how to do the same. And guys, this is one of the easiest programs out there where you can actually earn a full-time income and work from home. I wish this was around back in 2015 when I first started looking at opportunities. So guys, if you can let me know where you're tuning in from, let me know. Hashtag replay if you're watching this later on in the day. I hope everyone is enjoying their Monday. It has been hectic for me. I've been in the gym. I'm trying to get my body together for my next vacation. I don't want to go somewhere looking crazy, which I normally do, but I'm trying to do better. So you guys just pray for me. I'm trying to do better. So we're going to open up some of these envelopes and talk about passive profits, postcard program, low ticket, mid ticket opportunity where you can earn payouts for everyone that calls into the number. And that's what I love about this. All you have to do is have people call into a number with your ID, okay? And then you get paid. Member-to-member payments, guys. No third party, member-to-member payments. You can't beat it, okay? I'm going to open up some of these payments that I receive. And then I'm going to get in the bag because you got to get up early, get the kids to school. So I'm going to call it a night pretty early. We have Sylvia who came in from Washington. I'm going to open up her payment. Yes, I am still receiving. These are payments from Impact Mailing Club. I am still a part of Impact Mailing Club. It's still a great program. Passive profits I added to my portfolio because I love postcard opportunities, especially when it's a great one like this. Here we have a $50 payment that came in from Sylvia in 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. And she did not sign up with me directly. This came in from someone else on my team that made a sell. So thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you with us. We're going to be actually answering a lot of people questions tomorrow. We're going to have Q&A. We're going to have some giveaways. We're going to talk about the gift cards that you get, the 3-day, 2-night vacation stay that you receive, the leads. They also have the done for you system. So for people that don't have much time and want it done for you, we're going to also discuss that tomorrow. It's really great things going on with passive profits. And passive profits, no, is not a part of IMC. These are 2 different programs. Impact Mailing Club is a flyer opportunity and passive profits is a postcard opportunity. Okay, so there are 2 different opportunities. We have Margaret from North Carolina who sent in a payment. Let's see what we have here. Okay, she came in at the Emerald level. I got a $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. She actually joined someone else on my team. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. All right, I have another payment, something that came in here. I don't know what it is. It's a very little envelope. But yeah, guys, if you want to just tune in just to get information about the opportunity, just tune into the webinar because sometimes when you get information about an opportunity, it can help you to make an informative decision if it's something that's right for you. So that's basically why I'm inviting people to participate because you may see or hear something that you like that allows you to want to get started. Okay, so this is one of the things that you want to kind of get information for when you get on the webinar. Okay, I got a payment here from Courtney. Courtney is in Connecticut. Let's see what we have here. All right, Courtney sent in just a $20 payment, no stamps. Signed up with someone else on my team. Let me just jot this down so for my own purposes. All right. She came in at the $20 level. For those that don't know, I started direct mail because I was looking for a way to spend more time with my family, something that I can do from home. And I found this to be an easy way to start earning and generating a full-time income. So this is what I do. We have a payment here from Teeny from Maryland. Let's see what we have here. Hey, Rosa. Hey, Justina. Hey, Danielle. Brenda, the postcards, no, it does not come with the kit. You have to order your postcards. Okay, they're extremely affordable and they're really nice. But you do have to order your postcards, okay? And we're going to go over that tomorrow, the price. And if you want, you can inbox me for that information. So Teeny from Maryland joined me directly. Let's see what we have here. Sent the payment in this envelope. Total of $65. And here we have 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Here we have a payment from Monica from Georgia. Let's open this up. Guys, let me tell you, passive profits, I just crossed $15,000 with this opportunity. It is moving right along, okay? We are currently in our 2nd week. 15 grand closers, success coach, stamps in the mail. You get your peel and stick labels, gift card, weekly webinars, training, over-the-shoulder training. You can't beat that. So you're going to learn how to market the opportunity. Oh, and done for you marketing. So if you want to have some outsource your postcards and everything done for you, you can do that with this opportunity. So the only thing I got in the mail from Monica was a $300 money order. Okay. So welcome, Monica. I wish I had more information for you, but this is all she sent was a $300 money order. This is what you guys don't want to do. Make sure to send the form. So if I need to contact you, I can do so, but I can't do it with just a money order. I'm happy you joined. I'm glad that you're with us, but next time send it in with the form. That'd be great. So again, guys, tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, $15,000 so far. I know by week 3, we are going to do very well. We have over 150 members, paid members so far. 2nd week launching this opportunity. It is absolutely amazing. And I'm excited to invite people to this webinar to get more information. Remember, I'm basically educating people about what we have available, what to expect when you join, and how you can use this opportunity to earn a full-time income. So I'm hoping that people can come out. Yes, Karma, $15K, $15,000. And it's not slowing down. This is going to be a program that's going to be around for a while. Working with Ontarian with this opportunity, his wife Kima, has been a humbling experience, and I'm loving every moment of it. Guys, multiple streams of income. All you have to do is a rinse and repeat. You do it with one program, you learn how to market, you learn how to generate traffic, you do it consistently, you will have consistent results. That's all it boils down to. Consistency. You have to do that part. If you can do that for the next 90 to 120 days, then you can go take you a nice vacation and the money will just keep rolling in. Okay. So that's what it really boils down to, is being consistent, being with being involved with an opportunity that's going to be here long term, and getting plugged into the trainings, staying connected with a community of like-minded people. Okay, that's really important. There's not a lot of people that do the things that we do. And there's not a lot of people that are successful at the things that we do. And the reason why is because they're not consistent. They listen to family and friends. They don't stick it out to the end, and they give up too early. Or the shiny object syndrome, which we all know what that is, right? See the next thing, you're off to the next thing. So you don't want to do that. IMC has been around, when he first started, I joined in May of last year. I'm still with them. I'm adding to my portfolio, right? Because we can have multiple streams of income when you work for yourself, you work from home. But you want to start with one, stay dedicated to that one, okay? Especially if it has closers like passive profits, okay? And what you want to do is make sure that you are working your business every single day, or at least 4 days a week. So when I first started, 4 to 5 days consistently, I was working my business. I was sending out my link. I was told to keep the pipeline full. And I'll never forget when a gentleman told me that, my mentor, keep the pipeline full and you'll never go broke. And that's what I've been doing since day one when I first learned how to do direct mail. And now it has paid me 6 figures, and I'm teaching others how to do the same. I had made a commitment that if I was to learn how to do this the right way, that I will bless others and teach others the same thing that I've learned. So that's what I'm doing, and it's very easy. If you have an additional 10 to 15 hours every single week, you can earn a full-time income from home, okay? You don't have to do video marketing, but you have to do some sort of marketing consistently. And I always tell people to pick 2 to 3 platforms to use on a consistent basis, whether it's online or offline. You have to do 2 or 3, okay? And we're going to be going over this in our trainings. Our trainings actually start Wednesday for passive profits, and we have our webinars Tuesday, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the comment section, okay? So you can go right in and register with the link. And I hope to see as many people there. Put on your calendar tonight. It's going to be a packed house. So put on your calendar tonight. We had over 250 people at the first meeting. Okay, so this is going viral. A lot of people are loving what they see. Not only that, how they're being treated, the customer service, the support, okay, and not only that, the community. Right now, people are posting in a Facebook group nonstop, day in and day out, about the packages that they receive, the money that they're making, member-to-member payments, low ticket and mid ticket. So this is pretty much a decent opportunity for anyone, no matter what type of budget that you have, okay? You don't have to feel any type of pressure to join at a higher level. Come in where you feel is most comfortable. Come in where you can leverage the opportunity. Like I always tell people, if you come into an opportunity and you can get $50 payments, and another person come in where they can get $300 payments, who's going to move faster, okay? The person, of course, that's getting the $300 payments, because they only need a handful of people in order to start earning a full-time income. So if they're getting 3 people a week and they're getting paid $300 a pop, that's $900 in a week. Where if a person that is at $50, right? If they get 3 people, they only made $150. So that's not really close to a full-time income. So you always want to think of that. How does that work? Based off of where you want to be, where do you need to start? Okay. Again, based off of where you want to be, where do you need to start? If you need an extra $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month, do you want to be at $50 payouts, or do you want to be at $300 payouts? That's really important to know. This is all a numbers game. Everything with online and offline marketing is all a numbers game. If you know your numbers, you're going to always be successful. You're going to always be able to take your business to the next level. But if you're coming in and you're playing it safe, but you need $2,000 and $3,000 or $1,500 a month, it's going to take a very long time to get there. So position yourself. Think of that. Positioning is very important. Very important. Running your business like a business, staying consistent. All of these things play a major role in how successful you're going to be. Okay. So I'm not going to go on and on, but I teach this to a lot of my students. And this is something that I truly believe in. I truly believe, because 2015 was no good for me, but 2016 was absolutely great. Okay. That's when I realized that I can do something different. I don't have to punch a clock. I don't have to have somebody breathing over my neck, asking me some stupid questions because I'm not moving fast enough at my job, or jealousy, or all the stuff that happens at jobs that we all know about. You know, I no longer have to deal with that, and I'm just grateful about that. So thanks for tuning in, guys. And I am going to include the information in the comment section. Guys, if you're already a part of Passive Profits, make sure to get into the Facebook group. We do have training coming that's going to be coming up this week. You want to make sure that you are a part of it, okay? Rosa, no problem. Hey, Michelle, you're welcome. Hey, Richard. Hey, Janice, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Linda. Hey, Kelly. Hey, Jerica. Hey, Jerome. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow at the webinar. Have a great night.